currently ripping up the carpet in the living room. Lane, what would you like to say about it?
It's free to a good home. It's also super, super gross. Smells like dog pee. Looks like dog pee.
It does look like dog pee. As you can see here, this is the pad that was beneath the carpet, and it is absolutely filthy. And then you can see over on the subfloor, looks like there might be some dog urine stains. Lane's over here working like a champ, ripping up all this carpet so that we can roll it down. This is just a better look at how bad this carpet really is. It is so gross. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is what it does look like. So it's pretty bad. It is Sunday, about 2 p.m. I'm driving to Home Depot. My cousin Jeremy is here with his family, and they are helping with all the electrician work that we need done in the house, which is amazing. We are actually going to put in recessed lighting in the living room, which we hadn't originally planned on. Jeremy offered and said it wouldn't take him too long, so it's just absolutely amazing because this would be really expensive to get done. I'm just going to Home Depot to get some recessed lighting for the living room. He needs some more wire to be able to wire all the lights in the living room. Super excited because this was something that we didn't think we were going to be able to afford to do. So we were just going to do like floor lamps and table lamps, and my cousin Jeremy's just totally making it happen for us, which is so exciting. Like, they're amazing, totally amazing for coming all the way from Great Falls to Missoula for their long weekend to help us out. So we're really grateful, and we're really excited to see what everything looks like. I just am leaving Home Depot, and I got 8 recessed lights for the living room, which I think is gonna look really good. It's really gonna brighten the space. I got a box which basically will hold whatever chandelier we choose. The dining room doesn't have overhead lighting either. Then I got a bunch of light switches and a bunch of receptacles, which are electrical outlets. I got some electric wire for my cousin to do some of the electric work. Yeah, it was about $250 total. Not always great to spend money, but it's fine. It is going to like really pay off. It's going to make a huge difference in the room, so I'm really excited. It is Monday. It's Memorial Day. We had the craziest weekend. We got so much done. Honestly, we just didn't film a lot because we were just doing so much the whole time. Where we're at now is we scraped the popcorn ceiling in the living room. Actually tore all the drywall out of the living room ceiling because my cousin put in recessed lighting for us in the living room, which is amazing because there was no overhead lighting. We also figured out which walls were load-bearing downstairs. Both of the main walls that we knocked out are load-bearing, so we're gonna have to do beams and posts, and we're gonna get a structural engineer in here to help us figure out what exactly we need to do before we actually knock those walls out. We also got all of the electricity rerouted. He rerouted everything so that we can take those 2 walls out. So all the electricity in those walls are dead now, which is great. We can just knock them out. All we have to do is worry about structural things. A lot of that work was just like really laborious. My dad and Lane and Jeremy did all of it. Like, I didn't do any of the laborious work at all. Good for them. Like, I'm really thankful for all of them for working so hard this weekend. The improvements are insane. Honestly, I'm just really excited for how it's coming along. It's going to, and I can't wait. It's done right. We have the recessed lighting. All right, so here's the new living room. This is where we're at now. As you can see, we don't have a ceiling right now. Jeremy fixed all of these switches, so they're all the same now, okay? Because we used to have like a billion different colors, like some were brown and some were white. Went to Home Depot and just got some new light switches. And we'll put a faceplate on and it'll look great. But this is what we're working with in the room right now. As you can see, the guys ripped out all of the drywall. So, it's looking great. I love it. I mean, I can see why people would be like, okay, now it just looks like you're living in a construction zone, which we kind of are right now, but that's okay. So, to show you the recessed lighting, as you can see, they are LED recessed cans. Let's see, so there's 4 down that way, and then there's also 4 down this side. So I'll turn those on so you guys can see what they look like. They're gonna look a little warmer on camera than they actually are. They're actually super soft lighting. I got the kind of more blue tinted LED lights for that reason. This room is just so much brighter now. This room was always so dark and dingy. So over here, as you can see, this stairway wall has been knocked out, but it's going to be re-drywalled because we had to run all the electricity from this wall over here. And the electricity that was in this wall was all of the power to my office above us. And so we couldn't just ignore the electricity right here. We had to reroute it a different way over here. And we actually had to knock out the ceiling downstairs in the hallway. So it's also kind of chaos down there now in order to reroute these wires. Okay, so this fireplace is literally the bane of my existence right now. Like, I just want it gone so bad, but it's gonna be so hard to demo. Like, I don't even want to think about it, but also we need to get it done. So that's hopefully gonna happen sometime this week or the next week. I keep saying, oh, we're gonna do that this week, and then we run out of time. Since it's already Monday, it might not happen. But just know the fireplace is going to go soon. Hey everyone, so it is Wednesday, about 5 p.m. and Lane and I are just about to head to Home Depot. We are going to get the cement backer board in order to tile the upstairs bathroom. And so we're gonna go to Home Depot, get the cement backer board, and then maybe a few other things. I wanna get the plywood in order to resurface the cabinets, but I'm not sure if we'll do that today or not. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just vlogging your face. Here they are. The anticipation. Do it. Do it. Gotta find it. Unimpressive. Oh. You can go get that. We're here at Home Depot and we are getting 5 boards of cement backer board, a waterproof sealer, drywall nails, and drywall tape to waterproof the shower enclosure.
Grout sealer.
Oh, and grout sealer so that it doesn't stain. We are going to put concrete backer board all over the shower enclosure so we can subway tile it tonight if we can get this done first.
My bet is that we don't get to tiling it until
We're gonna get to it. are you feeling?
Ready to go. You already got part of it knocked out.
A little bit. So I got a little overly ambitious, thinking that we were going to be able to tear all the drywall out of this cement board, back it, and tile it, and seal it, and tile it tonight. So Lane's feeling really good about himself right now because he's right and I'm wrong. And that doesn't happen very often.
No, what doesn't happen very often is you admitting it.
No. That's getting cut out of the video. Anyway, this is where we're at so far. Once we get the drywall out and the drywall cleaned, then we'll put the cement board backing up, but we're probably gonna have breakfast for dinner before then. Because we've been working our little heinies off.
Yeah.
So, it's about 10:30, and I have just called it quits. I just hit a wall. I'm gonna go to bed, and I've pretty much just given up on the bathroom for right now. I mean, we'll fix it tomorrow. I'm not giving up completely. I just, like, for tonight, I just want to go to bed. I have a 12-hour day tomorrow. So I'm not, like, just dying to be up all night trying to fix this. This is where we're at right now.
Not very encouraging.
Right now, I'm just totally done. I just want to go to bed. How are you feeling?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. So,
well, that's okay.
We're going to get the cement board up tomorrow.
Yep.
And then I'm not going to say anything more about what we're going to get done because I'm not going to shoot too high again.
No. If you get like one thing done per day, that'd
be good. Yeah, especially since I'll be working till late tomorrow night, probably 9 or 10, so.
I got this.
Lane's got it.
I got this. Alright, so step 2 of redoing the shower. So today I took all of the nails and screws that were in these studs, like you can see here. These had like nails and screws in all of them. So I went through and took those out, and then I had to measure and cut this cement board.
What's the cement board for?
It's mold resistant and it's waterproof, so you put it behind the tile. And then, so you can see, like, I had to cut it out, kind of a big spot right here. And then I had to, like, cut it right here so that I could go around this big thing that I can't figure out how to get off. So,
nice.
We just went around it. And right now I'm just clearing up this little corner right here because there's still a little bit of drywall that I couldn't get out. So I'm clearing that up, and then I'm going to screw that in. And then finish these last couple little spots. And then probably call her a night. Yeah.
Woohoo! Good job! It looks awesome! Hey! So it is actually Friday morning. We usually don't record on Fridays, but we didn't really do like a run through of the house yesterday. So I'm just going to do a quick one right now. So right now I'm in the bathroom, and this is where we're at with it. We put up most of the cement backer board after we ripped out the drywall. The tub is white. It's kind of covered in crap right now. But we have to finish up along the top, and then we'll tape it off and waterproof seal it, and then we'll start tiling. And we are going to tile all of this up to the ceiling and then down along the front of the tub. And if we do have time, I might tile this little strip right here too, just because I think it would look pretty. No other reason other than that, really. All right, so everything else is just kind of chaotic. Everything's really messy. The bedroom, we still haven't finished that last coat of paint right there. I'll get to it. I just don't know when. Let's see. So then my office room, this is where we've just been storing everything, is still just super, super messy. I started tearing a little wallpaper just to see how it's going to come off in this room. And it looks like it's going to come off worse than the other rooms. This hallway is still not done. We brought the step ladder that we can use on the stairs to get the rest of the wallpaper off, but we haven't done it yet. All right, so for the biggest reveal in week 3 was definitely ripping out all the drywall in this room and putting in recessed lighting. Shout out to my cousin for doing that. It's amazing. We are so excited to have that. And yeah, so we need to re-drywall the ceiling and then we can start painting. Also, we did get all of the wallpaper stripped, so that's great. Excuse my chickens. It's raining outside, so I have them inside in their bin and they're not happy about it. Forgot, there's one more big change. We are in the basement, which we haven't filmed at all because we haven't really changed anything, but we did have to rip out this section of drywall in order to redo the electrical. So we don't have drywall there anymore. And then, yay, we got rid of some of this wood paneling, which is so ugly, so I'm fine with it. But we did have to take out, like, this room doesn't really have ceiling, but we did have to take out part of the drywall in order to make the electric work. The big thing moving into week 4 is that, as you can see, like, this top floor is resting on this wall, right? So we didn't realize quite how load-bearing this wall was until we took the ceiling out. So this wall is absolutely load-bearing. So we're gonna have to get a structural engineer in here to basically check it out for us.